Glass palettes are amazing. They're easy to reuse, and that's what I like. So I'm taking this old nail polish and this old D&D gel polish and a little bit of opalescent pigment. And first I'm going to, well, make my color. I'm going to figure out what I really want to do and how much, ratio versus what before I put it in the Pottle. So when I say we don't need palettes, I mean the plastic ones, by the way. So basically I start off with just a little bit of D&D hot red gel polish and a little bit of that old like baby blue Essie nail polish and a little bit of the opalescent. I think I would want it to be a little bit more glossy. And so I keep going until I figure out the shade that I want. Let's see here. I mean, it's starting to look good. It's starting to look cute and everything. But I think I want it to be a little bit more pink. So I'm going to add a little bit more of this old nail polish. I'm going to keep using my crystal wand just to give it a whirl. And I think that, oh, that's cute. What do y'all think? That's cute. Boom. We use that as, easily to swatch on the nail. And we say, boom, that's it. All right, we wipe it off. We keep it moving. We say, okay, that's great. And we put that to the side. We clean it and we put it to the side. You see that? I probably should start selling those, right? So this is the new Pottle Mini. It is the one for makeup and nail polish. I really love it. I think it's great. As you can see, it's clear, so you can see what you're mixing. Yes, get it nice and centered. And so now we know exactly what ratio we're going to give it. Of course, no one is perfect, right? So we're going to go ahead and put in some of, well, all of it, I guess, because, I'm not using it, obviously. It hasn't been mixed in a long time. It's been in the box. We're going to put quite a bit of, I'm going to go slow with this part because, I don't want the ratio of nail polish and gel polish to be off. Then I'm going to put in, of course, some pigment. I think it's just some opal pigment. And since it is kind of a low viscosity, I'm just going to put one mixing marble in. And I put the little lid on. Here we go. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute. We're going to shake it up. I don't know what I did. Okay, hold on. All right. We're going to shake it up and see how we feel about it. I'm mostly a mixer. I like to just mix it with my crystal wand. So probably, I'm probably going to open it. I'm like, this is cute, but it's a little tad too light. Because remember, what we mixed before was not that light. So I guess we have to go back in. And that's the good part about the Pottle. You can open it back up and say, well, I'm not finished with my creation yet. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the gel polish. I know you're like, well, so wait, you're mixing, gel polish in with nail polish for pigment? I mean, why not, right? And so we're going to keep mixing with our wand. I know it looks like I'm mixing a lot, but I'm not. By the time I'm done with my nails, I'm sure that it'll go down. I think this is basically only about half of the pot. So let's see here. Do we like what we have? Do we want it to be a little bit more pink? Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit more in that. Hopefully, do I have a little string in there? Okay, so, and then, okay, it's looking good. Okay, we're adding more pigment. Okay, we're going to whip it up. We're going to, I think we're getting to the color that we really, really like. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It looks good, right? Boom, 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 boom. It's cute. It's cute. Swatch, swatch, swatch. Boom. That's what I want. I love it. It's great. Let's hit it. Okay. It looks good. I don't know if I mixed it enough, but it looks great. I think it looks good. We're going to shake it up a little bit. And here we go. And if you want to know, the difference between size of the old Pottles and the new one, that's what it was. It's slightly maybe 45% smaller maybe. All right, so now we're going to paint our nails. Okay. Let's see here. Is that working out right? Let me see. Of course I have, the dreaded hairs as usual. I mean, why can't we just get rid of the crazy cotton ball fuzz? Seriously. All right, so how do we think about this color here? I think it's really, really, really nice. I love it. Okay, so I'm just adding a couple of layers of color. Of course, I'm all over the cuticle because I'm not really the best at painting my nails while trying to bite around with the camera holder thingy. Y'all know I'm old. Anyway, so this is what we use to make it, like I said, some old product that, you know, wasn't really being used and just lying around. And we use this, of course, a glass, just like a little stone palette. Love it, love it, love it. And this is what we made. Yay, do you like it? My little hot pink nails. And we're gonna put it away for safe usage. Pottle Rose is now available for pre-order. Check it out now. Thanks, bye.